So, in the module 5, it's my turn to divide into essential tools for any management. Um, it's the decision making, and second, we how we can use the decision tree to facilitate to process when facing complex scenarios. So, the style of decision making. To start, we must understand that management do not make decisions the same way. This depends on the how rational or intuitive they are and their tolerance for ambiguity. Based on this, we can find four key styles. The number one is the directive style. This is fast and logical. It is a low tolerance for uncertainty and focuses on short-term efficiency. The number two, analytical style, that is tolerate ambiguity very well. An analytical leader prefers to study data, thought, and evaluate multiple alternatives before acting. The conceptual style, it is intuitive and creative and sees the big picture. It focuses on long-term solutions. And number four is the behavioral style. It is a fully social and human-centric approach. It seeks consensus and deeply cares about the well-being of the morale of the team. As you can see, a management success lies in know how to adapt these styles depending on the situation they face. Now, we know a decision tree. When the situations are complex and money is on the line, style alone is not enough. We need quantitative tools like a decision tree. It is an excellent graphical representation because it allows the structure the problem solves nodes. The decisions nodes, which are draws and squares, represent the points we will make a choice, and the change nodes, which are circles, represent the external the uncertain events that we cannot control. In the end, we calculate the expected value by multiplying the positional financial outcomes their probability of occurrence. This way, we leave assumption behind and choose the most profitable route based on mathematical data.
Model 5 decision making refers to individual decision making and management group decision making. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to analyze the second part of our decision making model. We will already conversed two basic styles, but and now we focus on the obstacle. First, where see we individual find were making decision alone, analysis of cognitive limited physical basically of the every person use. The first obstacle is a barrier relating as human or mind or no super parts. We have a limiting to how much data we can process. This allows to problem information abundant with a balancing of and the concept of safety of mass gratification where we choose instead optimal taps and God. We now use the skin of the optimal one. Beyond the data are work pictology, abstract outdoor cognitive pieces. For are particularly common is a magic confirmation bias where we only listen to what confirms of existing belief. Cognitive escalation with a when we continue to invest money or time is a project we ability is now has failed. And short on the first figure we have an overconfidence. Finally, or an individual level to Every month this tag of behem severe trees destroy mentally discipline and lacks of time force of the take dangerous. In short, it is a we and to this therefore a compatibility files of purpose set a goals we manage the individual uses a block. We move of the second major topic manage a group decision break and think target and diversity and cloning. We add also an ergonomous intelligence require a moderator are clean tools. So that the group is an advantage and no obstacle. Working is a group as interior stop. The most dangerous is a grouping where members keep their devotes to this them to a both distract and harmony. The Abilene paradox also occurs where a team make a decision that are not individually one simply because each person that the other support is a formidable group process are slower and the two dominate with the lost voice. To mitigate tertiary result are really the most used control tool. We can apply nominal growth technique having every one silent real down third idiot before. Speak of structured recognition, we are having is a probability and they use it to ultimately is a clear accountability and the role of the facilitator. We are most ensure that everyone speaks, not just the loud voice. With that, this we conclude the module.